Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 2, the world of plants. First we are going to start with warm up. Look at the plants shown in the garden below and write their names under the correct column. Now here two columns are given, big plants, short plants. So these are the big plants. These are the small plants. First we are going to write the big plants. So this papaya, second banyan, third jackfruit, then mango. Okay, so these are the big plants. Now small plants. So brinjal, lemon, rose, sunflower. Okay, so these are the small plants. Now come to the next page. Okay, now we are going to see types of plants. Tall big plants are called trees. Children, जो बड़े पेड़ होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? ट्रीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एप्पल ट्री, मैंगो ट्री, कोकोनट ट्री एंड बनियान ट्री. ओके, ये बड़े बड़े पेड़ होते हैं तो इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ट्री. नाउ स्मॉल एंड बुशी प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड श्रब्स. ओके, सी, जो छोटे छोटे पौधे होते हैं, ओके, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? श्रब्स. दे हैव वुडी स्टेम. नाउ कैन यू सी द स्टेम? Okay, so they are having a woody stem. For example, rose, marigold and sunflower. आपने रोज का प्लांट देखा है? घर पे देखा होगा या जो जब हम नर्सरी में जाते तब हम देखते हैं. So ये छोटे छोटे पौधे होते हैं. Okay, and they are having a woody stem. Small plants with soft stems are called herbs. Now children, आपने देखा है पुदीने का, ये देखा है आपने प्लांट, वो कैसा होता है? एकदम सॉफ्ट. ओके, सो स्मॉल प्लांट्स विथ सॉफ्ट स्टेम्स आर कॉल्ड हर्ब्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पिनच, मिंट, कोरिएंडर एंड ग्रास. आपने देखा है जो ग्रास होता है, कोरिएंडर होता है, मिंट होता है, स्पिनच होता है, वो एकदम सॉफ्ट होता है. ओके, द स्टेम इज वेरी soft. Now see, next one. Plants that need support to stand are called climbers. Children, जो प्लांट को एक सपोर्ट लगता है, suppose this. Okay, now this is the plant of grapevine. तो ग्रेप का जो पेड़ है वो इसके आगे पीछे जाएगा. Understood? This one. तो ये कैसे जाएगा? इसके पीछे. And they need a support. Without support, they can't grow. Okay? Such plants cannot stand up on their own. वैसे plants क्या होते हैं? They need a support. For example, pea plant, grapevine and bean plant. Next one, plant that grow along the ground are called creepers. Okay? जो ज़मीन के साथ grow करते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it creepers. For example, muskmelon, watermelon and pumpkin plant. Now you can see watermelon. ये कैसे grow करता है plant? With the ground, along with the ground. So we call it creeper. Now we are going to see parts of a plant. Plant grow in soil. Plant का grow करता है in soil. The stem supports the plants. स्टेम जो है वो किसे सपोर्ट करता है? प्लांट को. एंड कैरीज फूड टू ईच पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट. और क्या करता है? फूड कैरी करता है हर एक पार्ट में. ओके, नाउ लीव्स मेक फूड फॉर प्लांट्स. Now leaves make food for plants. Flowers of different plants are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Now children, all the plants having different flowers, right? हर एक प्लांट के अलग अलग फ्लावर्स होते हैं, अलग अलग साइज होता है, अलग अलग शेप होता है, अलग अलग कलर होता है. Flowers of some plants have a nice smell. Now children, some flowers have fragrance in that, okay, like rose, lily, jasmine. So these flowers smells nice. Fruit come from flowers, okay. फ्रूट कहाँ से आता है? फ्लावर से. पहले फ्लावर होता है, फिर फ्लावर से वो टर्न होता है फ्रूट में. Seeds in fruits gives rise to new plants when they get enough water and air, okay. Now children, जो fruit होता है seed के अंदर, it give rise to a new plant, okay, when it gets water and air and sunlight. Roots fix the plants into the soil and absorb water from the soil. Now these are the roots, okay. So root fix the plants into the soil. किसमें fix करते हैं? Soil में. And absorb water from the soil. Now we are going to see the parts of the plants. This is a root. This is a root. This is a stem. This is a leaf. This is a seed. This is a fruit. This is a flower. Now, what do plants need to grow? Children, how we need food and water to grow? So now we will see what do plants need to grow. First, new plants grow from seeds. Okay, so plants grow from seeds. Plants grow in soil, so they need soil. Plants need air, sunlight and water. So what plants need? They need sunlight and water to grow and air. Now little scientist. Plants take in air through their leaves. So plants take air through their leaves. पत्तों की तरह वो हवा लेती हैं. Now come to the next page. Now uses of plants. Plants gives us food items like fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. Okay, so plants क्या देते हैं हमें? Fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. Flowers are used for decoration. Now as you have seen, during Ganpati, during Navratri, we decorate God with flowers. So we use flowers for decoration. Many medicines are made from different parts of the plants. Now children, different parts of the plants are used for making many medicines. Then trees give us wood which is used to make things like chairs and tables. Now from the wood which we get from the tree, okay, we can use it to make chairs and table, like we can use to make furniture. Next, some birds build nests on tree. Now you have seen, right? Some birds build nests on trees. We must take care of plants growing around our house. Children, you should plant more and more trees, okay, and you should take care of those plants. We must not pluck leaves or flowers of plants. So children, when you are going out, you should not pluck leaves or flowers of plants. Now wrap up. Plants. So what we have learned? Different types of plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Then parts of plants: flower, fruit, seed, leaf, stem, root. Then what a plant need to grow? Soil, air, sunshine, water. Then what are the uses of plants? Plants give us food. Plants give us medicines. Plants protect us from the heat of the sun. Birds build nests on trees. We make furniture with wood. Now we are going to start with evaluate. First one, banyan is an example of a tree. Fruits come from flowers. Now turn the page. Examples of creepers are pumpkin and watermelon. Now strike the odd one. Okay. So plants need this to grow. Soil, air, water, sugar. Plants don't need sugar to grow. Okay. So we are going to strike on the word sugar. These are some trees. Mango, banyan, coconuts. Rose is not a tree. We are going to put a strike on this word. We get this from plants. Flowers, seeds, fruits. Cups we don't get from plants. C. Right? Yes or no? Herbs are taller than trees? No. Grapevine is a climber? Birds make nests on tree? Answer in one or two words. What are short and bushy plants called? We call it shrubs. Where do most plants grow? Third, what kind of a plant is a mint? Mint is a herb. Now answer in one sentence. Now draw arrow to match the parts of the plants with their names. So this is a root. This is a stem. This is a leaf. This is a seed. This is a flower. And this is a fruit. Now things to do. Leafy tree. Collect fallen leaves of different shapes and size. You can collect the leaves, okay? The fallen leaves of different shapes and size. Draw a tree trunk on a white sheet of paper, cut it out, crush it and open it again. Then you have to draw it like this. Use a thick brush and apply brown paint on the tree trunk. Brown color करना है यहाँ पे and paste it on the A4 size sheet paper. Then paint the bottom side of leaves. You can use green, yellow or orange paints. Press the painted leaves on branches of trees and remove them. Leave the sheet to dry. So in this way you have to do the activity. Okay children? You can also use outlines of your hands and palms to make tree trunks. So here we have finished the lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you children. Have a good day.